Unit 5 Plants in Daily Life. In this lesson, we'll learn about various types of plants and their uses. And we'll also be able to understand the economic importance of plants. Finally, we'll know the interrelationship between plants and animals and its economic importance. We live in a green planet where a plenty of plant resources are around us. The economic botany basically deals with all pervading plants in relation to human welfare as a food, clothing, shelter, and medicine, either directly or indirectly. The economic botany is the study of relationship between the people and plants and the uses of plants in our economy. Observe the following pictures carefully. Can you identify what the people are doing? Why are the farmers harvesting paddy? A woman makes a rope using a coil. Where does the raw material come from? Neem leaves are collected in a plate. Do you know the uses of neem leaves? Yes. What is the material used by the man to make a chair? The different crop plants are used in different relationship with the human and the mankind. Based on the economic values and the uses, the plants may be broadly classified as plants as food, spice-yielding plants, medicinal plants, fiber-yielding plants, timber-yielding plants, and ornamental plants. Plants as a food, they are used in different ways as vegetables, cereals, and pulses. In vegetables, different parts of a vegetables we use as a food. Roots, for example, beetroot and carrot. Leaves, for example, curry leaves and cabbage. Stems, potato and yam. Flowers, banana flower and cauliflower. Fruits, for example, amla and guava fruit. Cereals. Cereals are the edible compound of grains of a cultivated grass. For example, paddy, wheat, millet, rahi, and rice. Pulses are edible seeds of a plant from a legume family. The pulses are secured in pots. For example, Bengal gram, green mung bean. Let us know something new. India is the second largest producer of vegetables and fruits in the world. World Food Day. It is celebrated at October 16, and the aim of the celebration at particular this day is to promote a worldwide awareness and for those who suffer from hunger and they need more ensure food security. They also lack in nutritious diet for all. Every year, the World Food Day is celebrated by the Food and Agricultural Organization of United Nations, that is FAO. The World Food Day adopts different themes each year. Let us see few Indian spices: cardamom, black pepper, curry leaves, fenugreek, fennel seeds, ajwan, bay leaves, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, clove, nutmeg, and cinnamon. These spices are included in a variety of Indian dishes. Medicinal plants. Some of the plants around us are good in healing our diseases. We call these plants as medicinal plants. Here is a list of plants that we have the highest medicinal value. Amla, it is a fruit and it cures the deficiency diseases like scurvy and improve our immunity. It has a lot of vitamin C. Tulsi, it is the leaves and seed. It cures cough, cold, bronchitis and expectorant. Aloe vera, it is a leaf. The medicinal uses is it is laxative, it cures the wound, the skin burns and even the ulcer. Neem, even the bark of a neem, the leaves and the seeds, everyone has the medicinal value. It is very good in curing skin diseases. Turmeric, it is a rhizome part of a plant and it helps the body to fight against the foreign invaders. Fiber yielding plants. Plants which give us fibers necessary for our uses, we'll call it as fiber yielding plants. Fibers from these plants can be spun into thread, rope and cloth. These fibers are called as natural fibers. Based on the use, we classify the fibers into textile fiber, cordage fibers and filling fibers. Let us know something new. In India, the jute crop is grown in 7 states as West Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura and Meghalaya. Among the 7 states, West Bengal alone produces 50% of raw jute production. Timber yielding plants. The wood needed for construction of buildings and for making furniture are obtained from certain plants. We use wood for these purposes due to their features like durability, stylish, and the resistance of temperature changes. All commercial timbers are classified into 2 classes. They are hardwood and softwoods. The hardwoods are high quality and they are used for making furniture, decks, flooring, and wooden constructions. The examples of hardwoods are teak and jackfruit. But the softwoods have a wide range of applications like making plywood, wooden boxes, medium density fiberboard, and for paper making. Few examples of softwoods are katampu and pine. Let us know something new. The finely cut wooden boards from the wood are layered one above the other to make a plywood, and we call it as a composite wood. Ornamental plants. What are the ornamental plants grown in our locality? Such kind of flowers we'll call it as floriculture. Plants which are grown for aesthetic reason we'll call it as ornamental plants. For example, jasmine, rose, carnation, etc. They are used to decorate houses, gardens, parks, and we are planting shrubs like hibiscus, jasmine, climbers like mullai, etc. Interrelationship between plants and animals. Animals rely on plants for their food and shelter. This relationship benefits not only for animals but also for plants. Such relationship is economically significant. For example, a silkworm feeds on the mulberry leaves and lives on the mulberry plants. This relationship between the worm and the plant is economically useful for us in silk production. Animals pests and birds are essential for cross-pollination of plants. The bright colors of the flowers, the smell and the honey attracts the insects. As the insects go from one flower to another flower, they leave the pollen grains from their body. This results in cross-pollination and the formation of vegetables and fruits. These insect pollinators and the birds need to be protected and to produce the best yield. Bees are the best pollinators. They also give us honey. The plants and the algae living in the coral reefs are also the food for a variety of fishes. Fisheries work is done in different kinds of areas. Animals, birds play an very important role in spreading the seeds of various plants. It also shows the impact on the economy too. Other uses of plants. The plants, apart from the food and shelter, they are used in various ways. To maintain soil fertility, to prevent soil erosion, used as a biofuels, rubber and a natural plastic, and also used as a neem oil coated urea. Let us know something new. Pala spinach. The people of old age have different kinds of diseases like affecting their joints and knees, and we call it as arthritis. Currently, Indian scientists at Central Drug Research Institute at Lucknow have made a nano formulation from the palak, that is the palak spinach, which is used for curing this disease, osteoarthritis.